The only thing that AI hasn't changed is that AI hasn't changed the need for lawyers to have social skills. And that's the most important thing with AI because you have to be able to listen to your client, you have to be able to chat with your client, and you have to be able to network. Those are the things that you really need to do in order to get more business.
Welcome to our Happy Rainmakers video series where point one can make a difference. I'm joined today by Jaimie Field of the Rainmaker. Thanks for being with us today, Jaimie.
Thank you for having me, Jennifer.
So, can you explain a little bit about what you do at the Rainmaker?
The Rainmaker is a training and coaching consultancy that teaches lawyers from the mid market, virtual law, and big law how to build big books of business ethically. And the key word is ethically.
So, the elephant in the room lately is now there's AI. Can I just ask ChatGPT to go get me some clients?
Yeah. And it won't give you any, but you can ask it. You can ask ChatGPT anything you want. It doesn't always have an answer for you, and it's not always the right answer. But seriously, AI is the most frightening and amazing thing that has come along. AI will not take away jobs from lawyers, but lawyers who do not know how to use AI will not have a job. You are going to have to learn how to use AI, much like you learned how to use Google or how you learned how to use email or you learned how to use social media. And thankfully, most people who are in law firms are still of an age that it's interesting to learn this technology. Applied to rainmaking, it can be amazing. It can help you with your content. Now, I do not suggest you have AI write your blogs or write your social media posts. But what it can do is if you write a blog, as you put that content into a ChatGPT structure, and you then say, please turn this into 12 posts for LinkedIn or 10 blog posts, 10 Twitter posts, or this, that, the other thing. And they can take your work and take it down, which makes it so much easier. They can really do a great job with that. It can help you with ideas. I put it in, and sometimes when I'm having, the day that I can't think of what to write, I will put in, I am a rainmaking coach and consultant. I need some ideas on what to write. And they'll give me a list of things. And then I'll go, oh yeah, I'll write about that. So it's really wonderful in helping. I do not suggest using it because there is going to be a backlash on authenticity soon enough. There already is one, but people want to hear from you. People want real rainmakers to be talking to them, not a program. The only thing that AI hasn't changed is that AI hasn't changed the need for lawyers to have social skills. And that's the most important thing with AI because you have to be able to listen to your client, you have to be able to chat with your client, and you have to be able to network. Those are the things that you really need to do in order to get more business. People want to know that you're listening to them.
So, AI doesn't take the place of developing genuine relationships.
AI can't take the place of developing genuine relationships because it's programmed. So it's not thinking on its own. It's not its own brain. It's thinking what it's already been input into it. So, one of the biggest things right now is AI companions for people who are lonely. And one woman said she's having a relationship with her AI companion, which I thought was hysterical too. But the fact is, she programmed it to say the things she wanted it to say to her, the things she wanted her husband to say to her. It's not like he came out and just said it. It wasn't like he thought. She programmed every time I turn you on, I want you to say something nice about me. or ask me about my day.
So you can't program an AI bot to say nice things to your potential client?
You can, but if the AI says something nasty,
Yeah. Well, thank you very much for being with us today. You've given us a lot to think about, and I think I'm going to start using AI a little bit more myself.
well, give
So,
me a
really,
call. I'll teach you.
thank
Give me a call. I'll work with you.